Hello, welcome to Gladdy Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to make Rednote account private. So the first thing you have to do is to click on the mail icon. Clicking on the mail icon, you just have to click on the three lines found at the top left corner of your screen. Clicking on it, you just have to click on settings. Clicking on settings, you just have to click on privacy option. So on my privacy option, I'm going to see the option of protection mode. If I turn it off, if I click on the toggle, I'm going to automatically turn my Rednote account private, unlike my TikTok and Instagram account where I just have to see private accounts and click on it. So you just have to click on your private mode in order to turn your Rednote account private. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then do not forget to comment on this video and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.